Hi guys, this is the Hotel Canal Grand in the heart of Modena. This is a very old historic hotel from the 1550s. This dates back to, as you can see, has a lot of history. A lot of history indeed. As you can see from these paintings, quite incredible paintings and the history of this building. I bet this building could tell some tales if it could speak. We found this hotel right in the heart of Modena, Old Town, situated right in the centre of the Old Town. And this hotel was very, very busy in its heyday back 20, 30 years ago. Formula One drivers were staying here. Now if you look at some of these pictures and designs on the wall, the Lancia, Maseratis, Ferraris. We have one picture here which says to Mr. Di Tomananzo. Di Tomananzo is a car that was built here in Italy, and it's a very famous race car. So obviously there's a lot of history here. And one other thing that I did see that was quite amazing, I'm going to show you right now. Look at some of these pictures. These pictures are amazing. There's some unique stuff here. Really, and if I go through here, I'm going to show you some signatures. Now this is before I was born. Here we have Jean-Pierre Bourtois, Colin Chapman and Jackie Stewart, the Formula One drivers for the 1960s. I don't know if you can see that, but if you can read that on the wall, all these signatures, the Formula One drivers, 30 years ago, the Ferrari drivers stayed in this actual hotel here. This actual hotel. So quite amazing. Really quite amazing. The history of this building. But of course now Ferrari have their own hotels for their drivers. But quite interesting, the history of this building, and also the famous Formula One drivers who have stayed here. Amazing. Speak to you later. Top of the morning to you, James here, coming at you from Modena. It's a very quiet morning this morning on the markets. I still have my long Dow Jones position on Wall Street. I'm still long the Dow. It's been a relatively quiet night. Not much happening in Asia really. The pound is quiet this morning. Indices now pushing higher. We're now pushing higher, and I hope that my trade will continue further into profit, as we say. But it's in profit as we speak, and I think we could make new highs now. I think the markets can make new highs. Not a lot going on, a bit of a quiet morning really. Much earlier today, so hopefully it will be each day. It looks quiet. I wouldn't trade gold today too much. It looks a bit difficult really. When it's clear, I'll give you the levels. It's very easy to say, hit this level. This is where we've got to watch for. I'm long the Dow. If you want to be long the markets and copy me, this is my trade. I think we are continue to break to new highs. The trend is with us. The seasonality is with us at the moment. This is the period until March, April when we keep going up. So the nature is naturally we're going to go higher and higher. So markets should make new highs today. Really, it's a bit of a quiet day, you know. You just got to be prepared. If you want to be a professional, then 90% of the people lose the money, 10% of the people take all the money. If you want to be in that 10%, what you've got to do is, when there's a day when you can see that there's money lying over in the corner, and all you have to do is walk over to the corner of the room and pick the money up. This is what a professional, disciplined trader with an edge. If you've got an edge and you've got your strategy and you know what you're doing, this is what you do. And the other trades, they're not worth bothering about. Maybe you make several thousand on that one day on something that was absolutely near certainty, but the other days it was just like throwing the money in the wind. Some days you'd be better to put the money in the toilet and flush it. You know what I'm talking about. You guys, you know how it goes, you know. When everything is set up right and everything is looking good, you've got everything perfect. It's just like taking candy from a baby, believe me. If you can wait for that kind of day, really, this is when you want to make your money. But as I say, I think we're going higher. But I see this all the time. I see, you know, I could have just this, and this is when to make all the money. And the other trades are like going round in circles. Think about this. Food for thought there. Have a think about that. Look at your own trading. If you're making mistakes, I bet you those mistakes were when you were doing something wrong and when something wasn't quite right. But you think back. Think to the times when it was absolutely nailed on, when it was certainty. Those are the times when we want to trade. I'm long the Dow today. I can't see a lot else, not much going on. It's a bit quiet. Hopefully we'll push on to new highs today. Have a great day trading. I'll speak to you tomorrow. Bye for now.